This is my propane forge, built it myself. Right now I'm heating up a file, annealing it for a knife. You can see it's nice and red in there. It's just like, it's a gas cylinder, a Freon gas cylinder, I believe, with 2 layers of insulating wool coated with a stabilizer and a fire brick on the bottom. It gets up to forge welding temperatures. It's powered by propane, obviously. It's got a door. There's the flame blower attachment, I guess. Oxygen intake here. This is the important regulator. You can crank it up or down to get more BTUs out of it. Good stable pressure for this is about 7 psi, and that's just hooked up to a regular propane tank. And you can see there is a hot spot in there, but for the most part, it heats very evenly, except for the parts that hang out, obviously, and because it's only so big, it doesn't fit all the way in there. I'm going to drop this in a thing of ash in a minute to anneal it. There it is. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. This is a very simple thing to build, and I don't think any blacksmith should be without a nice propane forge.